5 creative business ideas you can start from home. What if I told you that 5 years from now, your life could look nothing like it does today? No 9 to 5, no answering to a boss. Just freedom, financial control, and the kind of lifestyle you only see on Pinterest boards labeled Dream Life. You won't get there by playing it safe. And you definitely won't get there by binging Netflix and hoping your job gives you a raise. You need a creative edge. You need an idea that works, from home, on your time, with your skills. And today, I'm giving you 5 of them. Not the start a blog and hope for ads kind. I'm talking real, tested, profitable businesses you can launch this year. But don't just watch. Pick one. Commit. Start building the life you know you deserve. Let's dive in. Business idea. Number 1. Notion. Template shop for niche lifestyles. Notion. You've heard of it. Some treat it like a note-taking app. Others? They turn it into a 6-figure digital storefront. Here's the move. Build custom Notion templates tailored to very specific niches. Think: college budgeting for ADHD students, wedding planning for full-time nurses, side hustle, organizers for new moms. People don't want general. They want exactly what solves their life. You build it once, sell it infinitely. Most people your age are overwhelmed, drowning in tasks. If your product can offer clarity in chaos, you win. Every time. Wait, did I just say Notion could fund your beach house and your latte addiction? Yes. Yes, I did. Stay with me. But if digital products aren't your thing and you're more of a hands-on hustler, idea number 2 might just be your secret weapon. Business idea number 2. Curated thrift box subscription. You thrift stylish, hand-picked clothing locally. Curate monthly thrift boxes based on your customer's aesthetic. Think vintage streetwear, Y2K, cozy core. You charge a premium for the curation and convenience. It's like Stitch Fix, but cooler, cheaper, and eco-friendly. Why it works? Your audience doesn't have time or taste to dig through racks. You do. That's value. Low overhead, local sourcing, high margin, instant Instagrammability. Imagine being the person who started the trend, not the one reposting it 6 months late. Do you thrift because you love it or because you're too broke for Zara? Either way, here's how to monetize that pain. Now let's say you're less fashion-forward and more tech-inclined. The next business doesn't just make money, it makes monthly recurring revenue while you sleep. Business idea number 3. Automated digital marketing services for local businesses. Let's be honest, most small business owners in your town still think Facebook ads are magic spells. They're overwhelmed. They're falling behind. You become their plug. Start a service offering automated Instagram content, email newsletters, Google My Business optimization, and reviews management. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Zapier to automate 80% of the work. You're not just helping them market, you're keeping their doors open. You charge monthly retainers, $500 to $1,500 per client. Even with 5 clients, that's full-time income. Wait, so I can charge $1,000 for scheduling posts and sending emails? Yes, if they never want to learn how to do it themselves. Now, maybe you want more creative control, less service, more storytelling. The next business idea lets you turn your opinions into influence and income. Business idea number 4. Faceless content channel. On TikTok or YouTube. Shorts. You don't need to show your face. You need to show up with value. Luxury money habits. Day in the life of rich people. Productivity hacks for broke 20-somethings. Use stock footage, AI voiceovers, trending sounds. Batch 30 videos in a weekend. Post daily. Once your content catches fire, you monetize through brand deals, digital products, and affiliate links. Accounts doing this are making $2,000 to $10,000 a month without ever being on camera. Is this lazy or genius? Correct answer, it's profitable. And that's what counts. And now, The idea that combines digital income with real-world transformation. It's personal, it's powerful, and it's growing fast. Business idea number 5. High-ticket digital coaching or mini mentorship. What do you know that others don't? Fitness, personal finance, SAT prep gaming strategy, ADHD productivity. Package your knowledge into a 4-week mentorship. You coach over Zoom, you create a transformation, you charge $297, $497, even $997 per client. People don't pay for information. They pay for clarity, confidence, and results. You're not just making money, you're changing lives, and that feels different. If you've ever helped a friend organize their schedule, congrats, you're qualified. Now go get paid for it. Here's what separates the wealthy from the watchers. Execution. You now have 5 creative business ideas. Each one proven, each one startable from your bedroom. So the only question left is, which one will you choose? And hey, don't keep this video in your saved folder like digital junk food. Take 10 minutes right now. Journal, brainstorm, commit. Subscribe if you're ready to stop surviving and start designing your life. Comment below, which idea hit you the hardest? Because this isn't just a YouTube video, it's your starting line. And your dream life? It's already waiting.